What is up, Adverio Nation? I am so excited to showcase our new market basket analysis dashboard that we have here, where you turn this information into these views here. I'll walk through how to do this, where to find information in your Seller Central, and how to leverage the report. So you'll want to log into your Seller Central and navigate over to your main menu. Go down to Brands. Click on Brand Analytics. Once that pops up, you'll have three choices across the top here. You'll go to Consumer Behavior Analytics and click on the Market Basket Analysis. And your screen will look very similar to what I have here for you. We leverage the quarterly report so that we have enough information. Typically for smaller brands, you can do weekly or monthly if you have a really large brand. However, we like to see quarter-over-quarter performance to help us understand what's going on. Once you select quarterly, you'll want to select the year that you want to look at and the quarter as well. You can go back as far as 2 years. You can go back to the most recent quarters available. It's really up to you. You're also able to do this across more than one quarter at a time if you need more data. It's really up to you. And I'll show you that in just a second. Once you've selected it, you want to click Apply. It'll look like this. You want to make sure you click on Customize Columns and select all of the available columns for you at that time. Then you'll click Generate Download. Once the download's ready, you can go to your download manager, and you want to save that file on your local computer. And then you'll navigate over to the Raw tab here, and you want to copy everything below the header in the Market Basket Analysis report and paste it in here. If you have a lot of products, like this particular brand that we're working with here has 14,000 products. So you'll want to potentially have to do copy and paste across multiple different times. If you have a smaller catalog, you can usually do it in one instance. Otherwise, it will spin. Once you've pasted it in there, you can go into your dashboard and it will pull up these pre-formatted charts for you, where it will show you your top 25 of the same brands that are purchased. So this bottom row here is the primary ASIN for the brand, and then that's the next most purchased ASIN that is purchased also with your branded ASIN. So ASIN ending in C70 is purchased 144 times, with ASIN ending in A8U. You can go like that. We'll also look at the bottom here. Some catalogs that have a smaller amount, maybe if you have 100 or 50 products, you'll see this kind of differently as well. But since this catalog is so large, there are hundreds of products that do not have any sales just because of the way the catalog is set up. And in the next form, you can go down to the competitors, and you can do the same thing, where the bottom row is your ASINs. So this particular ASIN ending in TD9 was purchased 58 times, with competitor ASIN ending in 7PK here. And that will show you which ones are most common. If you want to drill down even further, you can go into your heat map here for same brand. And this will basically show you that all of these are your ASINs on the left-hand side and across that row number 2 there. And it will show you in a nice visual heat map. Again, if you have a smaller catalog, it's a little easier to see. But obviously we have thousands of products here, so there's a lot of information. And you can scroll down as well and do that. And at the top here, it will show you the amount of times that these ASINs were purchased with other products as well. So ASIN C70 was purchased 837 times with other products as well. And we've got a little heat map for you there, so you can quickly tell which ones are the highest numbers when you scroll across the top like that. Very similar for your heat map on the competitor side. The left column A here is your ASINs, and then the row number 2 across here is showing you the competitor ASINs. So it's saying that your ASIN ending in TD9 was purchased 58 times, with ASIN ending in 7PK here. And we've also got that similar heat map across the top there, so you can obviously see that this here is the most popular ASIN for you. From here, you'll want to go in and look at these ASINs and look at them directly in Amazon and kind of understand what the products are. Is it something that you can generate yourself and create a new variation, or maybe put bundles together if you're constantly purchasing the same products in your same brand here, whether it's a virtual bundle or a physical bundle or both. We do recommend both if at all possible, so you get more organic space on your listing, especially since now that the virtual bundles are going underneath the Buy Now box. So from there, you can also be sure to look at the titles and multiple ASINs that are frequently bought together with the same ASIN, because you'll most likely find out that there are a very similar type of product that's being purchased with your product. However, it's been across multiple different brands. Case in point, we have a brand that sells these, I think I'm going to missay this, Palo Alto or Palo Santo sticks, etc. They also sell sage sticks. And as a result of that, when they looked at this market basket analysis, they realized that, hey, the Palo Santo sticks were commonly purchased with their sage sticks. So they added it to their catalog and were taking market share away from the competitors since they were already purchasing it anyways. So tons of insights like that. If you like this video, hit that like button, that thumbs up button below. Let us know. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and check that bell so you know when more videos like this come out. Thanks so much.